Shucks. The bird has just dropped feces on top of my shoulders from this tree over here. And it's a guava seeds. The guava seeds comes from that tree right at the back there. In many cultures, they believe that a bird dropping in a feces on top of you, it symbolizes fortune or good luck or blessings. But when these things happens, most of the time, it's best that you clean where the feces dropped because the bird feces carries lots of bacteria as well as the diseases. Don't believe about blessings and fortune and good luck when a bird drops feces